Hi friends, so today we've made alien candy dispenser. So this is the main body and this is the lever from which the candy gets dispensed, and this is the eyeball and this is the tongue. I have applied the glue just now. So the assembly is pretty much basic. Just take the tongue and try sticking it. And then goes the lever. And then goes the eyeball. So we drop the candies in this cavity, and then when we rotate the lever, every time 2 candies will be dispensed, and once we fill it with candy, we can close it with the eyes. So I mentioned the link to the file in the description. Kindly take a look, like and subscribe.